Hello everyone.
We are at the Oceanica Seafood Restaurant.
Okay, let's talk about Oceanica Beach Resort. Bohol's most gorgeous beach. And also the place where your wallet goes to die. Huh, yeah. But hey, you only live once, right? And if you are gonna go broke, might as well do it with style, with a view like this. So, worth it? Maybe. My bank account say no. My heart say shut up and enjoy the beach. Our place used to be Southwest Beach, but our investor group took it over and they came up with this one.
Just look at it. And not so many people know about it actually. We found out by accident from the workers in the hotel on our last day. Even pet friendly. Look at it.
Your best friend watering.
Best friend watering.
But with the sandal.
But it's better than no water. Very nice here. Ooh, nice white sand, boats. You need something to drink, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want some water?
Yeah, sure. You want some Coke, ice cream, something?
Some.
Okay, you order. Look at that. Look good, that watermelon thing.
Some like that.
I want water, but you want something like that. Look at them. Very good.
Tropical halo-halo. Wow.
Tropical halo, want it?
250.
That is good. So this is
And
it.
then the woman, the sister.
Here is a tropical halo, serving coconuts. I'm going to stay away from the coconuts because I get very bad food poisoning from it. How much was it, baby? Probably on the top of the line.
I can't wait. 195.
495. 495. $12. Well, let me tell you, it's not cheap, but looks great. Well, actually, in Canada, you don't get $12 this much ice cream anyway. And it has some ube, has some pineapple, has some I don't know what, watermelon, banana. What is this one? This things. This one.
Caramel?
Caramel? Cube caramel? I don't know.
I don't know.
It looks really good. Enjoy it.
It's different halo-halo tropic.
It's hard to see, but it's a name on the side of this cocoa, whatever is it?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Thank you so much. You want, baby?
No, I'm okay.
Oceanica Resort ang daw. I'm gonna post it.
They didn't have a Wi-Fi, so she made a photo and she can post it, which is, in other words, free advertising for the place. So this Oceanica Resort, basically, it is a resort, as the name is suggesting, and is opened up for the public, the beach part, so you don't have to reserve the room. You can enjoy the beach. If you're willing to pay something, you can rent a kubo here, tables are free. They're hoping you're going to spend some money. The place is extremely beautiful, as I said before. Beautiful white sand. And not so many people. some shaded area. You can rent a canoe, go in the boat ride. This is about 3 kilometers long. So there's a note here, you are now entering the stress-free zone, which means they're asking you to be quiet. There's a massage available. So as everywhere else who are living from the tourists, 1 and 2 million way to spend your money. In my personal opinion, so far this one is the nicest beach what I saw here in Bohol. The airport is close here, and I find out a reason is why the airport is here, not in the mainland, because this is the only part that is the island is flat. So of course in the mainland not some flat space too, but not big enough for an international airport. So they decided to build it here.
I can walk kilometers on the shore and one beach coming after the other one. The first one is Oceanica, a second one is Bohol Beach Club, and the third one is Dumaluan Beach. The most expensive one is Oceanica, the second one is Bohol Beach Club, and the more affordable is Dumalupa. Also,
We can walk for far away, next beach gonna come. But it's still nice white sand. And quite a few people here. So these Q-boatings, they numbered. Also beer is available. Dumaluan Beach Resort. Did you ever heard?
No.
Lots of boat on the end. So apparently it's popular place too.
Yeah, always popular.
Okay, we should turn around. Because we're gonna die before we
It's
getting hot. The sun came out.
more people, lower price. Less people, higher price. Time to have some lunch. We are hungry.
Hello, boys. Anyone want to date me? Contact Hungryot for details. He is the creator behind this video. Enjoyed his content? Smash that like button, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell icon too. You won't want to miss what's next.
Our food arrived. What is yours?
bologna.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You might need some chicken ball.
It's good.
It's really good. The place is totally loaded. It's beautiful. Many people here. However, they told us it take 40 minutes to make it. So it took more than 1 hour. So if you are in a big rush, just buy a sandwich. Because if you want a full meal, you have to wait. But we cannot complain. Never in any restaurant in Philippines see a waiters, a waiting staff running, and they are virtually running here, not walking, they running. So they definitely work really hard. And the food is good, but you have to wait. So we finished our lunch, which wasn't cheap. 1,190 plus a little bit of tip, 1.3. And I was very tasty, but this not work, 1.3. I love olive oil, but
Not too much.
too much. But the taste was excellent. Lots of olive oil and cold rice.
So, this is real grass? No.
This is real grass.
I
You
thought
can see
it's
where it's bird on, and
only plastic.
no, this is yeah, it's real grass. The tropic Filipino grass. Why no weed, just grass? No, some weed too, so it's a real grass.
Unfortunately, our time in Bohol is almost over. We are just waiting for our tuk-tuk to take us to the airport, and later on today we're going to fly back to Manila. Goodbye, Bohol, and see you next time from Manila.